your body gets shot through the t-shirt cannon through it.
Crazy.
I think
it would be cool if you got put into a special thing in a t-shirt cannon and they shot you out or something. They should do shit like that. It's like,
I've been preaching this for a minute. Like, there's so many cool like Jenna reveals where they do like all this stuff, but you never seen like a viral cremation. Like, I'm sick and tired. Like, I've been writing a bit about it, but like, I want my ashes to get blown out of the exhaust of like a Ford F-350, and I want to do half and half. Top part cremated, bottom half open casket. Like, I want to do half and half.
Come and see that jump.
Yes, sir.
I love that.
But like, nobody's doing fun stuff with like the ashes. It's always like, oh, let's go to Mount Rushmore. What? So she can be close to an old president.